Hey my loves, welcome back to the channel. It's Kesenaje here, and today's content we're going to be sharing with you guys how you can actually make money online, especially if you are here in Nigeria. So if you're interested in that, make sure to keep on watching, and also don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post content related to this. So without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, so if you're interested in making more money, especially if you have a 9 to 5 job, you're a student in school, whatever situation you are in currently, this video is definitely for you, because I'm going to be spilling all the various platforms and ways you can actually make money online, especially if you're Nigerian and you are presently in Nigeria. The first thing we're going to be talking about is blogging. Now, this opportunity is one of the most popular way of making money online in the world, and often here in Nigeria, based on the fact that our currency is actually low. So you know that if you are earning in dollars, you're actually rich in this country. Well, blogging is basically sharing information in a written format, okay? From news to entertainment to beauty, basically anything. As long as you are sharing information in a written format, you are blogging, and you can actually monetize this. First of all, you need to have a website where you actually have your blog post, right? After that, you can drive traffic to your blog through optimization. This you can actually research on your own, called the SEO optimization. So you can actually research how to actually drive traffic into your own website. If you guys want to know how to do that, I can share a link in the description box below on how you can actually optimize your blogging website. Okay, so now you have your website running, you have optimized it. How can you monetize? You can use the Google AdSense, which is actually the primary monetization method for your blog content. Okay, so this is basically the primary way you can actually make money from your website. This is done through ads being run on your page. So just like YouTube, you watch advertisements and the YouTuber gets a commission, right? The same way for a blogger, and you can actually get monetized through people clicking on those ads that are on your page. You can also post affiliate links that you may have. Probably you are entitled to a percentage of commission when people purchase a product through your link. You can actually post that link on your website. All you have to do is to basically talk about something related to the link. Let's say you sell shoes and Zara gives you a link whereby anyone who purchases their product through your link, you will get a 50% commission. So it's something like that. You can actually post your affiliate links on your blog website. Another wonderful thing about blogging is that you can actually make money while you sleep. You have to batch create a lot of blog posts and just post them down, and you can rest. And the good thing is that you're making money while you're sleeping. Now let's get to the next one. Next thing is affiliate marketing. This method, personally, I know it is very, very reliable, especially if you are good in sales, you're good in marketing. This method is definitely good for you. And also, if you're a conversational starter, just be an affiliate marketer, because you definitely make sales. It's basically recommending products, either physical products or digital products, to people online, and if they buy through you, you get a commission. Now, so imagine you sell a product worth 10,000 naira, let's say, and you get a commission of 20%. That is 2,000 naira. And let's say you make like 100 sales, so we have 2,000 naira for one sale. So 2,000 naira times 100 sales, and that is 200,000. Now imagine you make 1,000 sales and you have 2,000 naira as your commission. You just copped 2M. Tell me that's not a lot of money. That is a lot of money, especially in this country. Honestly, I don't know why I know what they call it, being an affiliate marketer, especially where you're very conversational. So you better get into it, okay? So yeah, fortunately for you guys, I do have an affiliate network stroke platform that is Nigerian based. This platform is called Espadner, and it's a platform that sells digital products. So there's a course on the platform, the 72 IG implementation program, a digital marketing class where you will learn and earn at the same time. Okay, so if you're interested in this, you can click the link below to get more explanation in it. I have a link below where you can get more explanation on this. All right, yes. So the next thing, or the next way you can make money online, is YouTube. If you love speaking to the camera just like I do, camera on your phone, your digital camera, your actual camera, well, that method of making money online is for you, because it's very similar to blogging. Difference is YouTube is video based, while blogging is written based. Okay, so basically you sharing video content or sharing information through a video format is YouTube. Now, how can you monetize on YouTube? It's very similar to blogging through AdSense too. All you have to do is reach the threshold, which is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and within a year, and you're good to go. You can apply for the YouTube partnership program, and once you are approved, you can start making your dollars online. Okay, now another way you can also make money online here in Nigeria is freelancing. Freelancing is picking up nowadays. I remember then in 2015, I already had one friend that was doing freelancing, and he wasn't making as much. Now, because he has been in the platform for so long, he is making as much, and people are getting to know that freelancing is actually another way of making money. Okay, so it's all about applying your skills through your services online to make money. You are good in writing, let people know. They give you work to do. You write their projects, you write their assignment, you write their blog post. Yes, they pay you the money. You're making your money without spending a dime. You just have the skills you already have, and you use it to monetize. Like, you monetize those skills to be able to make money. So there are a lot of these skills that that can actually be freelanced. We have being a writer, we have being a programmer. You know how to create websites. We have that. You have a graphic designer, a voiceover artist, whatever skills that can be delivered online, sometimes physical. It could be product photography. Okay, whatever skills you actually have, you can actually monetize it online through freelancing. And there are different websites to carry out this job of freelancing, right? We have the freelancer app, we have Upwork, and those are just a few I have mentioned. I'm sure there are more if you make your research. Okay, the last one I'm going to be talking about today is the e-commerce business. It's all having a website that sells and buys products online. So basically just like Amazon, Jumia. Okay, let's bring it back to Nigeria. Just like Jumia, just like Konga, you have a website. Okay, you have other brands, or brands are having websites where they sell their products. That is an e-commerce business. So if you sell things online normally, let's say on Instagram, okay, you can actually create a website for that purpose, and you can drive a lot of sales. So yeah, this is just one part I am going to talk about for the making of money online here in Nigeria. So you have to look forward to my next part 2, where I talk about other methods you can actually make money online. I hope these tips I provided for you guys, it was useful. I hope you're actually going to practice it. I hope you're actually going to try them out, because these are actually legit ways. This is not 419. This is legit ways you can actually make money online. So tell me why you're not using it. No, tell me why you're not going to apply them. Tell me why you're not going to try any of them. Not just tell me why. I'll be waiting for you in the comments. I want to hear the excuse you gave me. Then I'll give you a reply. Okay? Well, yeah. So basically, that is all about today's video. I hope you found it very informative, useful, educational, whatever use it was to you. I don't know, but I hope you found it useful. Make sure you also subscribe to my channel in case you're interested in more content like this. This will let me know that, oh, you guys are interested in more content like this, and I'll continue to post more content related to this. Okay, go ahead to like, please go ahead to share. I need that. Okay, and also feel free to comment in the comment section below what questions you have concerning this video. Okay, so that's all, guys. Make sure you do the needful. Okay, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.